Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I was just gonna do 2 tutorials. So I will be going over how to download music to an MP3 so you can add it to your videos for editing, and how to make custom thumbnails using a website called Canva. So first I will be going over the music. So first you're going to find a video that you want to change to an MP3 or a song on YouTube that you want to change to an MP3. So I chose this song. So you're going to highlight the link by holding click and dragging over. You're going to use Control-C to copy it. And then you're going to go over to this website called Off MP3. I have it saved so it's coming up. It should be the top one. So here is the website, and it is completely safe. I've used it a bunch of times. It's not a virus or anything. So then you're going to paste your link that you just copied by using Control-V. And you're going to hit download. And then you will hit click here, and then that will start the download. And it should show up at the bottom of your screen. Then I usually like to hit the arrow and show in folder, and then I will drag it to where I want it. And then you can go ahead and just import it to your video. I'm using Filmora, so I'm going to import media files, find the MP3, and drag it in. And there you go, you have your music. Next is how to make your own custom thumbnails. So you're going to go to a website called Canva. So go to canva.com, and then it should take you straight to it. So this is the website, and this is a completely safe website. I've used it for all my custom thumbnails. So first you're going to go to custom dimensions, the width 1920 and the height 1080. You will hit create new design. Now it will take you to this. And you're going to want to upload your own screenshot or picture, whatever you're wanting to edit. I will show you guys how to take a screenshot of just part of your screen. To take a screenshot, you might have to download this. It's called Snipping tool. And I'm not sure if you have to download it or if it's already on your computer. So if you have to download it, just search Snipping tool. And there will be a free download. It's safe. It's used by a bunch of people. So you will download that, and I already have it, so I won't be going over how to download it. If you guys don't understand how to download it, I can make a video on that. So you're gonna search Snipping tool on your computer. You're gonna open it, and you're gonna hit new. I wanna select the logo, the window. So I will select it, and it will take a picture of it. Then you will save it to your computer. Make sure it's saved as a JPEG. You can name it however you want. I will name it Windows. You can save it. Window snip is what I have. You can select what you want it to take a picture of, and then full screen snip is self-explanatory. It takes a picture of your whole screen. Now you will go to upload an image and find your image. You will click on it and it will download. When it's done downloading, you will drag it in and it will size it to how it should be. You can add in text, do this, change the text. You can resize it and move it around. And there are a bunch of other things, like if you click on the picture, you can hit adjust, and this will bring it to a bunch of settings. So this is just the brightness, contrast, and so on. You can mess with those however you want. So when you're done editing your thumbnail, you will go to this download button. Make sure it is a PNG, and you will download it. And when it's downloading, it should show up at the bottom of your screen like the MP3 did. This is where all your downloads should come. So I like to show in folder, see where it is, and move it to where I want it. And then you can just upload it to YouTube. You can choose custom thumbnail, find your thumbnail, and it will upload it. And sometimes it will say the file is too big, like it needs to be 2 megabytes or whatever it was. So if that happens, you can get this app called paint.net. And it is completely free and it's safe. It's just an editing software. So when you go to paint.net, this is if YouTube won't let you upload the thumbnail because it's too big. So you can just change the size of the picture. So you can open it to paint.net and then you can save it. Then you can just move down the size to however you need it to be so it can actually fit. And then you will save it. And it will be saved to your computer. Then you can upload that to YouTube, and it won't change what it looks like at all, so it will still be the same, but YouTube won't get mad at you for having it be too big. So yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if you guys have any questions down below in the comment section, and give me video ideas of what you guys want to see, and I will do my best to work on that and make a video on it. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!